What's up guys, I'm Jonathan, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the vertical and the horizontal figure 8 hand pass. So to start with the vertical, you are going to need to know how to do the reverse figure 8. And if you don't know how to do that, the first spin, you're just going to hold it like this, and the first spin is going to be on the outside of your hand, and the second is going to be on the inside. So you're going to go 1, and then you're going to flip it back up and go 2. So you're just 1, 2, 1, 2. And when you're bringing the second one back up, is when you're going to pass it to your left hand. So 1, 2, and then like the other side, 1 is going to be on the outside, 2 is going to be on the inside. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So just keep that in mind. 1 is always on the outside, 2 is on the inside, and you're passing it when you're bringing it up on number 2. And for the horizontal one, it's going to be kind of the same as the vertical, except for instead of outside and inside, it's going to be top and bottom. So the first spin is always going to be on the top, second spin is always going to be on the bottom, and then you're going to be passing it, coming back up to 1. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A quick recap for the vertical figure 8 hand pass is the first beat is always going to be on the outside, second beat is always on the inside, and then you're passing on the upbeat between 2 and 1. And then the same thing for the horizontal, except 1 is always going to be on top, and 2 is always going to be on bottom, and then you're passing on the upbeat between 2 and 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's how you do the vertical and the horizontal figure 8 hand pass. If you found today's tutorial helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and follow for more tutorials like this one.